Understanding mental health is essential. It affects everything we do. It impacts how we think, feel, and act. It influences how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. In short, mental health is the bedrock of a fulfilling life. Mental health is more than just the absence of mental illness. It's about feeling good. It's about being able to cope with life's ups and downs. Good mental health means we can realize our potential. We can work productively. We can contribute to our communities. Sadly, many people struggle in silence. They may not understand mental health. They may not know how to seek help. That's why it's crucial to talk openly about mental health. We need to break down the stigma. Everyone deserves to live a mentally healthy life. By understanding mental health, we can create a world where everyone feels supported and empowered. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Mental health disorders are more common than you might think. They affect millions of people around the world. These disorders range in severity. They can be temporary or long-lasting, but one thing is certain: they can significantly impact a person's life. Some common mental health disorders include depression, which involves persistent sadness, loss of interest, and feelings of hopelessness; anxiety, characterized by excessive worry, fear, and nervousness; bipolar disorder, marked by extreme shifts in mood, energy, and activity levels; and post-traumatic stress disorder, which develops after experiencing or witnessing a traumatic event. These disorders can manifest in various ways. Some people may experience physical symptoms like headaches or fatigue. Others may struggle with relationships or job performance. The impact of mental health disorders is far-reaching, affecting not only the individual but also their loved ones. Recognizing the signs of a mental health disorder is crucial. Early intervention can make a world of difference. If you or someone you know is struggling, reach out for professional help. Addressing the mental health crisis requires a multifaceted approach. Government institutions, families, and society all play vital roles in creating a supportive environment. Governments are responsible for developing mental health policies, providing funding for mental health services, and enacting legislation that protects the rights of individuals with mental health conditions. Families are the cornerstone of support. They can create a loving and nurturing environment, recognize early signs of mental health issues, and encourage their loved ones to seek help. Society has a duty to reduce stigma surrounding mental health, promote mental health awareness, and support organizations that advocate for mental health. By working together, we can create a world where mental health is valued and supported. Section 4. Cultivating a mentally healthy environment. Creating a mentally healthy environment is crucial for overall well-being. This involves both our external surroundings and our internal landscape. Start by making your home a sanctuary. Declutter your space. Surround yourself with things that bring you joy. Ensure you have access to natural light. Prioritize your physical health. Engage in regular exercise. Eat a balanced diet. Get enough sleep. Physical and mental health are interconnected. Taking care of your body nourishes your mind. Nurture your social connections. Spend time with loved ones. Engage in activities you enjoy. Social interaction is vital for emotional well-being. Set healthy boundaries. Learn to say no to things that drain your energy. Prioritize your own needs. Remember, creating a mentally healthy environment is an ongoing process. Be patient with yourself. Make small changes gradually. Section 5. Navigating the labyrinth: philosophical and spiritual approaches. For centuries, philosophers and spiritual leaders have offered insights into the human condition. Their teachings can provide valuable guidance for navigating the complexities of mental health. Stoicism, for example, emphasizes acceptance and resilience. It teaches us to focus on what we can control and accept what we cannot. This philosophy can be helpful in managing anxiety and coping with difficult emotions. Existentialism, on the other hand, explores themes of freedom, responsibility, and the search for meaning. It encourages us to embrace our individuality and create our own purpose. This approach can be empowering for those struggling with identity or feeling lost in life. Many people find solace and strength in their religious beliefs. Faith can provide a sense of hope and purpose. Prayer can offer comfort and peace. Religious communities can provide support and a sense of belonging. It's essential to approach any philosophy or belief system with an open mind. Take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. Section 6. Your journey to well-being. Practical steps and resources. Taking care of your mental health is a lifelong journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way. But by incorporating these practical steps into your life, you can build resilience and navigate challenges effectively. Practice mindfulness. Pay attention to the present moment without judgment. Engage in activities like meditation or deep breathing. Express gratitude. Take time each day to appreciate the good things in your life. Challenge negative thoughts. Reframe negative thoughts into more positive and realistic ones. Set realistic goals. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Seek professional help when needed. Don't hesitate to reach out to a therapist, counselor, or doctor if you're struggling. Remember, you are not alone. There are countless resources available to support you on your mental health journey. National Alliance on Mental Illness, NAMI, offers support and advocacy for individuals and families affected by mental illness. mentalhealth.gov- provides information and resources from various government agencies. Crisis Text Line offers free 24/7 support via text message. Taking care of your mental health is an investment in yourself. By prioritizing your well-being, you can live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Please subscribe to Aiken's channel and click the bell icon to get informed when there is a new video. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and stay safe.